Hello and welcome to month 2 of the Rambling Star Block of the Month video series. My name is Tina Diller with Quilting Affection Designs. In last month's videos, I showed you how to make block 1 and bonus block 1. In this video series, we'll be working on block 2, which is divided into an A and B blocks that are mirrored blocks. We will be making 4A and 4B blocks, measuring at 6.5 unfinished. So now let's go over the tools and the fabrics you will need to make these blocks. For block 2, you will need 4 different colors: a white, a red, a green, and blue. The fabrics in this quilt are from the Island Batik Plum Delicious collection. The only tools you will need to make this block are your basic sewing supplies, such as your rotary cutter and rulers. In block 2, you will need to cut 5 white squares, 4 red squares, 1 blue square, 1 green, white, and blue rectangle per block. Please refer to your cutting instructions in your pattern.